Hello. I'm a little under the weather, so I'll keep this one a little bit short. I have decided that it may actually be my best interest to instead of sell my book, to instead give it out for free. I'm gonna drop a link in the description of this video. It's just gonna be a simple PDF attached to my Google account. In fact, if you decide you want to poke around more, you can find my old Google account, which is kind of funny. My old video game channel. Um, for those of you who don't know, I used to be part of the speedrunning community, so there's speedrunning videos. I have two friends that are still sort of part of it. One is definitely a professional. He has a mechanical engineering degree. I hope he finds legitimate work. Right now, he's working as a manufacturer, trying to get his foot in the door. The other friend works for Olive Garden. Don't blame him. I blame the system. He makes 15 an hour because he lives in a liberal state. That's just the way it is. He's a little bit more conservative than most of his neighbors, but that's fine. Long story short, if you end up finding the old account, that's funny. If you you go down that rabbit hole, but otherwise, I'm just gonna post my book. I want you to experience the journey that my brain went through in order to understand my religious beliefs, because I think God used my book to explain to me His true nature, and it's way deeper than the current Christian belief system allows for, which is why I have to start almost from scratch. Not entirely from scratch, but and this is why I have to, I still call myself Christian, but at the same time, my belief system is so much different. And the reason why it sort of lines up with orthodoxy has very little to do with my upbringing and a lot more to do with the nature of God. And there's actually, it's not a Job chapter. It serves a similar purpose to Job, but it's I'll just leave it at that. Chapter 9. You'll read it and understand what I mean. It serves a very similar purpose to the book of Job, but at the same time, it is a very unique opportunity into the mind of my character. Main character Silva. Chapter 1 is gory. Just a fair warning. It is traumatizing. Without further ado, I'm just going to post it. And I wish you all the joy and sorrow and the transformation that I wish you understand the transformation, and I hope you transform yourself because of the transformation that I went through this book. Without further ado, my name is Aaron Klein, and welcome to the world of guilty.